So, you think you need money to make money? That's probably the biggest lie holding you back from earning your first real pound. It's the excuse that keeps you stuck, scrolling through videos like this and waiting for some perfect moment that's never going to show up. But what if I told you the most powerful tools you have for making money aren't in your bank account? They're your time, your focus, and the internet connection you're using to watch me right now. Forget everything you've been told about needing startup cash, a uni degree, or some world-changing idea. That's all a luxury. Right now, we're talking about survival and turning that survival instinct into actual income. This isn't about some get-rich-quick fantasy. This is a real guide for starting from ground zero. I'm going to give you 3 actionable ways to build your first income stream using nothing but what you already have. So, if you're done with the excuses, let's actually do this. Before we get into any of the methods, we need to fix your mindset. Right now, you might feel like you're at rock bottom. No money, maybe some debt. It probably feels like you're starting the race 10 miles behind everyone else. Good. Rock bottom is the most solid foundation you can ever build on. When you have absolutely nothing, you have nothing to lose. Every single pound you make from here on out is pure profit. Every single step is progress. The rules have changed. The gatekeepers are gone. You don't need a corporation's permission to build something for yourself anymore. The key is to stop overthinking it. You don't need a 50-page business plan. You just need to take one step that brings in cash, no matter how small. Action is so much more important than perfect planning. Your most valuable assets are your time and your focus. That's it. Money is the result of using those things, not the cause. You have hours in your day. You have an internet connection. Those are your tools. So for the next week, I want you to stop worrying about what you don't have and start obsessing over how to use what you do have. That single mental shift from I'm broke to I'm a resourceful entrepreneur in my pre-funding stage is the most important step in this whole process. Every small win, every pound, builds the momentum that will carry you forward. All right, let's turn that mindset into money. These aren't just theories. These are zero investment business models you can start today. The simplest way to make money from nothing is through arbitrage, a fancy word for buying low and selling high. But we're going to do one better. We're going to buy for zero. Every single day, people give away valuable items just because it's easier than selling them. Their inconvenience is your opportunity. Here's the plan. Go on Facebook Marketplace and Gumtree and find the free stuff section. People give away everything. Old furniture, electronics they think are broken, lamps, mirrors, exercise equipment, you name it. Your job is to become a digital treasure hunter. Find one promising item, an old wooden chair, a dusty bookshelf, a coffee table with a few dings. Go get it. Bring it home. Now the work starts. Clean it. Wipe it down. If it's wood, give it a quick polish. You don't need to be a master woodworker. You just have to make it look like someone cared about it. Next, become a photographer. Take it outside in natural light. Good lighting is everything. Take pictures from every angle. Make it look as good as you possibly can. Finally, you're a copywriter. Go back to Facebook Marketplace or eBay and list it. Don't just write "use chair," tell a story. Vintage wooden accent chair, perfect for a cozy reading nook. Solid wood brings a classic charm to any room. Instead of free, you're listing it for £40, £50, maybe even £75. You just took an item someone was literally throwing away, added value through cleaning and presentation, and created cash out of thin air. That first £50 sale is your proof of concept. You are now officially in the business of creating value. This next method is perfect if you want to build a scalable business without ever getting your hands dirty. It's called service arbitrage, and it turns you into a professional middleman. Think about the services people in your area need but don't have time for. Gardening services, house cleaning, rubbish removal, running errands. You're going to start a company offering these services, but here's the trick. You won't be doing any of the work yourself. Here's how it works. First, look the part. Go to Canva, it's free, and design a simple, professional-looking flyer. Neighborhood gardening services, professional and reliable, starting at £50. Or express errand runners, we get it done. Next, market yourself for free. Post that flyer in local Facebook groups, on Nextdoor, or print a few out for community bulletin boards. Your only goal is to land one customer. Let's say someone calls you for a lawn mowing job and agrees to your £50 price. Awesome. Now, you go to a platform like TaskRabbit or People Per Hour and post a gig. Need someone to mow a lawn, pays 30 cash today. You will get tons of replies from people with their own gear who are happy to make a quick buck. You connect the client with the worker. You make sure the job gets done right. The client pays you £50. You pay the worker £30. You just made £20 for making a few calls. You solved a problem for two different people, the busy homeowner and the person looking for a quick gig. The beauty of this is how easily it scales. That first £20 is your proof. What if you get 10 clients a week? That's £200 a week or £800 a month, and you don't even own a lawnmower. You're not a gardener, you're a logistics operator. This last method is about making money from skills you probably don't even realize are valuable. In today's economy, simple digital skills are in high demand. If you can type, organize a spreadsheet, or browse social media, you can get paid. Let's break this into two paths. First, micro gigs. Platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk and Clickworker are built for breaking huge projects into tiny tasks. These can be anything from transcribing a 30-second audio clip to categorizing images or verifying data. Each task might only pay a few pence, but they add up. This isn't a career, but it's an amazing way to earn your first £10 or £20 online. Prove to yourself this stuff is real and build the confidence to aim higher. The second path is creating digital products. This is the create once, sell forever model. Again, head over to Canva. Look at all the templates they offer: social media posts, CV templates, budget planners, wedding invitations. People and businesses need these every single day. Your job is to find a small niche. Instead of a generic social media template, create Instagram post templates for local bakeries. Instead of a generic CV, design a modern CV template for tech industry jobs. Get specific. Spend a few hours in Canva creating a high-quality, easy-to-use template pack. Then, open a free shop on a platform like Etsy. List your pack of 10 bakery-themed Instagram templates for £15. The best part? Once it's listed, your work is done. Every sale is automatic. You can literally be asleep, and someone on the other side of the world can buy your template. You wake up with more money than you went to sleep with. That's the start of passive income. We just covered 3 completely different business models you can start with £0. If these ideas are sparking something in you, and you're ready to actually take this seriously, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button. I drop practical, no-fluff videos every week to help you build your income, and you're not going to want to miss what's coming next. Making that first pound is a huge win, but it's not the secret to building wealth. The real secret is what you do with it. This is where most people get it wrong. They earn a little extra cash and they immediately spend it. You won't. You're going to start what I call the money loop. The formula is dead simple. Find a problem, sell the solution, get paid, reinvest, repeat. Let's look at our examples. You sold that free armchair for £50. The money loop means you don't see that as £50 to spend. You see it as £50 of investment capital. Now you can go to a charity shop or a car boot sale and buy a £10 item you know you can flip for £60. You just turned 0 into $50, and then you turned that £50 into £100. You're in the loop. You made that $20 from your first service arbitrage gig. Reinvest it. Spend $15 on a better design tool to make your flyers look more professional, which will let you charge higher prices and attract better clients. You're in the loop. You sold 2 digital templates on Etsy for $30 total. Reinvest it. Use that $30 to run a small Etsy ad campaign targeting your exact niche, which could easily triple your sales. You're in the loop. This cycle of reinvesting your profits, no matter how small, is how you build unstoppable momentum. A goal of making $10 a day sounds tiny, but that's $300 a month. That could be a car payment or a big chunk of your rent. When you consistently reinvest that $300, it can grow to $1,000 a month, and then $3,000. This isn't a lottery ticket, it's a system. It's about letting small, consistent wins compound into life-changing income. The point of this video is that your situation right now does not define what you're capable of. Having no money isn't a dead end, it's a filter. It forces you to be creative, resourceful, and disciplined. It strips away all the excuses and leaves you with the raw basics of business. Find a problem and offer a solution. We covered 3 powerful ways to do that. Digital flipping, where you turn free junk into cash. Service arbitrage, where you become a profitable middleman. And skill monetization, where you turn basic computer skills into digital products. None of them require a single pound to start. But honestly, it's the mindset that matters most. Rock bottom is a foundation, not a sentence. Your greatest assets are your time and your focus. The internet has leveled the playing field, and the only thing standing between you and your first pound is your first move. So, it's your turn. Don't just click off and watch another video. Pick one of these ideas, just one, and promise yourself you'll try it for 1 week. Stop waiting for permission or the right time. The time for planning is over. The time for action is right now. If this video helped you, hit the like button. More importantly, comment below with the first step you're going to take. I want to see you make that commitment. And finally, subscribe to the channel, because we're not just hoping for a better future, we're going to build it together, starting today.